Hi guys, this product is from Amazon. So we are unboxing this product. This Slovic range of tripods, and this is the tripod stand. This is mobile holder and remote control. Now this comes from China, which is shipped by company Seacher Gorilla Tripod. So this is a mini tripod stand, and it's a 10-inch stand. The MRP of the product is 999, but you can get it at a cheaper rate from Amazon, which should be around 50% discount, around 500 rupees. And so as you can see, this product is made in China, so it's a Chinese product. Now let's unbox it and see what's exactly in the box. So the first thing is the Bluetooth remote. Now this is a remote, so it's actually works for both iOS and Android. So if you can see, it will work on Apple. So this will work on your Apple phone and all major Android device. Let's open the box. So as you can see, this has got two buttons. One is for Android and another one is for iOS. Now, so guys, this function will actually help you to stop and start a video. So you can record videos and you can also click photos with the help of this button. Okay, now let's keep this aside. If you can see, it works on wireless connection. So now I will show you the tripod. Okay, now this is also made in China, so it's a part of accessories of the tripod. So now let's open the tripod. Okay, so this comes in a bubble wrap so that the tripod is not damaged, but this is a flexible product, so it should be durable. Let's open it. Before we open the tripod, I will also tell you, this is the tripod. This is one more holder. It's got the branding of Slovic. This is a mobile holder, so you can hold your mobile. So we'll take care of this later. Okay, now this is the tripod. This is how you attach the camera, which we'll show you on the later video. Now see, this is very flexible. It's got 3 stands. You can put it like this way. It has options to adjust it, so you can increase the height, decrease the height as per your convenience. And as per the demo shows in other videos, you can also tie it on your wrist, something like this. So you can use something like this, so you are then hands free. This is how it works, but you have to be flexible on this. Okay, now as you can see, this is made of some plastic fiber product which is very strong, so it's very durable product. You can bend it, it's very strong, but the quality is average. As per the tripods in other videos, it's an average quality, but again at this price I think it's worth it. Okay, now let's keep this here. Okay, so as we can see this folder, so this is how you put this. Okay, now I'll just try to put my phone and see if it fits in. This is my phone. So this is a part of accessory which is a mobile holder, and in this mobile holder this is flexible, so this is how you can put your mobile phone. So if you can see this, okay, now I'm going to put my mobile phone. So this is how I put my mobile phone. Okay, it's a very nice grip. Now the good part is you can now make it flexible as per your convenience. So this is how it becomes flexible. Okay, now even though I am looking on my phone, if I want to watch a video or do a video call, I can use it as a video call without my hands free. So now I've just put my mobile phone. But when you put your mobile phone, take care of your buttons, volume rocker buttons, take care of your power button so that it is not damaged. So just take care of it, okay? And you can also make your mobile hands free if you want to, because this also will help you to, this will also, your hands will be free. But again, the grip is very solid, so make sure that the buttons are safe. So now this is the horizontal position of this particular accessory, which is the mobile holder. So the good thing is you can also put it on vertical position, which is like this. So now we remove this, and now we are attaching it vertically. Okay. Now this is how it goes vertically. Okay. Now again I will put my phone to show you. Again remember, these buttons are there on all normal phones, so make sure that you don't damage the button. So even though if you put it this way, it is still okay. See this. Okay. So this is how I go on YouTube. And we'll take you to our channel, which is Honda Walas, so you can watch our video there as well. See. So you can watch this video whenever you have time, and please hit the like and subscribe button. So this also helps you to use this as a mobile phone stand. Hands are free. So now I'll tell you one more feature. Now I've just put my phone in this position. Okay, and now if I want to click photos, this can also help you as a selfie stand. Now this, so now if you can see, I am holding my phone and I'm shooting myself, and I'm holding this tripod stand. So basically, if you want to click the photo, you'll have to use the Bluetooth device, which is the Bluetooth small device, which we'll show you later. So now I will show you the Bluetooth remote shutter unboxing. As I told you, this is compatible with Apple and Android phone both. There is no mention of Windows, so if you are buying it, take it for Android or iOS software. This is working on Bluetooth. So this is a very light product. I think it's around 20 grams. And it looks very sweet. So now I'll show you, there are two buttons. This is camera 360 for iOS and this is for Android. So the bigger one is for Apple, smaller one is for Android. And there is a small button here which is an on and off button. See this. This is how you on and off it. And now you see this blue light blinking, that means this device is ready for use. So just click it and it will allow you to click photos and stop and record videos. Okay, again this is made in China and it works on battery. So let's see the battery. This is a normal cell which you can get at a local shop. Again this product is made in China, remote shutter. Okay, and I am sure this battery should last long. That's it. Start. So now we have switched on this product and you can see this blue light. So now I will search on my phone to see if this product is available and we'll connect and pair it. Okay, now I'm switching on Bluetooth. Search. Checking for available devices. Okay, this is AB shutter 3. So I click on this. Let's see if it easily pairs. It still shows as pairing. As you can see, it shows as AB shutter 3 connected. That means when you are searching for it, it should show AB shutter 3. So now I will put my phone again on camera, and so now I am not going to use the screen. I will use this button. So Android is the small button. So I will now click a photo. Can you see this? I'll click one more photo. Okay. So now this is on video, and now I will try to record a small video. So friends, now this is on video mode. So now again I am going to use this smart control. I just click and you can see it started. See this. It's a small video. Now I am going to stop the video. See, this is stop. And now I am just going on the gallery, and now you can see this. And you can see it started. It's recorded. See this. So that means this is a very user-friendly device, it's very accurate. Video. Now I am going to stop the video. So guys, now I'm standing at a distance of approximately 15 feet just to test if this device works. So again I am testing this device. So see, this is in my hand, and I just click on the button to see if it records. Okay, now let's check if it's recording. So now, as I just told you, I can see the video is recording. So that means this device does work. 15 feet is a very good distance. Let's stop it. Yes, it does work. So guys, this is a very accurate device. The only disadvantage or the only feature which is lacking is the pause feature. So unfortunately there is no pause feature. You can just start the video and stop the video, and at this price point I think that it's good and it's working excellent. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.